Okay, now this is another question based on density. An element has BCC structure with cell edge length of 288 picometer and the density is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of element? So here density is given, edge length is given. You have to find out number of atoms present in 208 gram of the element. So to determine this, first time you have to determine, since the element name is not given, so you don't know about the molar mass of the element. So first time you have to determine the molar mass of the element. After determining molar mass of the element, you can find out how many atoms present in 208 gram of the element. So as you know, density is equal Z into M divided by Na into A cube. This is the formula for density. Our density is given 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. Z value, since it is BCC, body centered cubic, so Z value should be 2. Molar mass you don't know, you have to find out. Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Edge length is given 288 picometer. So if you want to convert in centimeters, just to multiply by 10 to the power minus 10. So 288 into 10 to the power minus 10 whole cube, it should be centimeter cube. So this unit will be per mole. Okay. So therefore M is equal, you can write, just you do cross multiplication, 6.022 into 288 whole cube into 10 to the power minus 30 minus plus 23, you will get 10 to the power minus 7 divided by 2 multiplied by the density 7.2 gram per centimeter cube divided by 2. Okay, and this unit should be centimeter cube, because whole cube means it will be centimeter cube. So centimeter cube per centimeter cube will be cancelled. So since this unit is per mole, ultimately we will get the unit gram per mole. That means you will get 6.022 into 288 whole cube into 10 to the power minus 7 into 7.2 divided by 2, unit remain gram per mole. And when you calculate it, then you will get 58.7 gram per mole. This is the molar mass of the element. So if you don't know the element also, you can find out the molar mass of the element by applying density equation. Now you know molar mass means mass of 1 mole. This is the mass for 1 mole, and 1 mole contain how many atoms? 1 mole always contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Since it is molar mass, that means you can write 58.7 gram of the element contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Avogadro's number of atoms, because it is 1 mole. So according to question, 208 gram is given. Therefore 208 gram of the element contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 multiplied by 208 divided by 58.7. Just to do it, then you will get the number of atoms. So this is the process how to determine number of atoms. First time you determine the molar mass of the atom. If you know the molar mass, then directly you can find out the number of atoms, because molar mass always contain Avogadro's number of atoms. So how much gram is given, for that amount of gram you can find out the number of atoms. So this is another numerical based on density. Now another question based on density. An element, the question is, an element with molar mass, here the molar mass is given, an element with molar mass 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2 unit is given kg per mole. In terms of kg it is given, forms a cubic unit cell, forms a cubic unit cell with edge length 405 picometer. 405 picometer. If the density is say 2.7 into 10 to the power 3, the unit is given kg per meter cube, is kg per meter cube. What is the nature of the unit cell? What is the nature of the unit cell? Now you have to do it. In this question, it is given an element with molar mass, this mass, molar mass is given, forms a cubic unit cell. Cubic unit cell means it is not given whether it is simple cubic, body centered cubic or face centered cubic, just it is given cubic unit cell with edge length this mass, density is also given this mass. You have to find out the nature of the unit cell. Nature of the unit cell means you have to find out whether it is body centered, face centered or simple. To find out that, you have to find out the Z value. If you get Z value 2, that means the type of unit cell is body centered cubic. If you get Z value 1, it will be simple cubic, and if you get Z value 4, then it is face centered cubic. So based on the value of Z, you can find out the nature of the unit cell. Now from the density equation we will find out the Z value. Here the density is given 2.7 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. This is the density given. This is equal Z you have to find out, I mean number of atoms per unit cell. Molar mass is given 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2. Its unit is given kg per mole, divided by Avogadro's number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 per mole, multiplied by the edge length. Edge length is given 405 picometer. Since the mass is given in kg, so you have to convert in meter because you have to use SI unit. So 405 into 10 to the power minus 9 whole cube, unit goes to meter cube. So here per meter cube, this meter cube will be cancelled, per mole will be cancelled, kg will be cancelled. I mean there will be no unit because you are determining number of atoms. So number of atoms, there will be no unit. So that is why you can write Z is equal 2.7 into 10 to the power 3, this into this, multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 405 whole cube. 10 to the power minus 9 whole cube means 10 to the power minus 27, divided by 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2. So ultimately, if you cancel the 10 to the power terms, so 2.7 into 6.022 into 405 whole cube divided by 2.7. Now I will collect the 10 to the power terms. See, here it is 10 to the power 23. Here it is 10 to the power 3. 23 plus 3, 26. 26 minus 27 minus 1. This become plus 2. I mean 2 minus 1, it will remain only 10. So after calculating all these things, you will get the Z value as 4.0 something. I mean, you can write 4. And since the Z value is 4, that means you can write, therefore, the type of unit cell is face-centered cubic. Always remember, for FCC, Z value is 4, for BCC, Z value is 2, for simple cubic, Z value is 1. You remember this thing. Already you have determined the number of particles per unit cell. BCC contain how much, FCC contain how much. Just to remember this thing, then you can find out the nature of the unit cell. Since the Z value become 4, that means the type of the unit cell will be face-centered cubic. Thank you.